So today I'm packing our new ultra thin Bluetooth keyboard, and I'm calling this our Into the Box series because instead of taking it out of the box, we're actually packing it. So I searched all over for a keyboard that was small enough to fit inside the Tinker Pie box. And what I love about this keyboard, it's rechargeable, but it also has full-size keys. I do not like typing on the teeny weeny keys. It's also super easy to set up. You just turn it on and then hit the connect button here. And then you go into your settings of your iPhone or Android or Raspberry Pi and connect it. And then it will ask you to type in some numbers in the keyboard, and then you're all connected. So it's super light and thin, and it's durable, and the battery lasts about 20 hours. So I'm going to put this in the envelope and get it ready to send to Amazon. Of course, Amazon is going to pack it again in a bigger box. So we're just making it pretty. There we go. See you on the other end.